Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to lock your Chime card on the app. First, open the Chime app, then tap the gear icon in the top left corner to open your settings. Scroll down and tap Account Information. Here, select the card you want to lock. For example, your debit card. Once you open the card settings, look for the option that says Freeze Card. Toggle it on and your card will be locked instantly. This stops all transactions and is useful if your card is lost or you notice suspicious activity. And that's it. Your card is now locked. And that's how to lock your Chime card on the app. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.